I'm Peter Buck. I'm the Engineering Director for the Lichfield Canal Trust, and here we are on the side of the Lichfield Canal on Falkland Road, and here we have the Falkland Road, the Fossway Heath section of the canal. We have behind me here we have the environmental bund that we have created, and hedging that's been planted on top has been fabulously donated by South Staff's Water and their PEBBLE fund, and the planting of that took place a few weeks ago using many of our own volunteers, young students from the D of E scheme, and this has been a great success, and you can see the hedge is absolutely flourishing here alongside the road. The advantages we have for putting this in is to prevent unauthorised access into the site, and of course the biodiversity gain from planting several hundred metres of mixed hedging will create a fabulous environmental project here. We've also got all the way through here, we've had another fabulous donation from the community, a couple who celebrated their golden wedding anniversary with a donation of 50 mature trees, and you'll see most of the line here, every roughly 10 metres we have a mature tree has been planted to form part of the biodiversity improvements along this section.